clap sync in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Well, there's that. What's going on, guys? I'm Josh. Welcome to Josh Builds Stuff. Today we're doing something a little different than usual. Instead of starting with a build, for one, we are starting with a review. For two, I'm drinking Diet Coke instead of regular. For three, this is not an official LEGO set, which is uncommon for me. I only have one video right now that's featuring something that's not officially LEGO. It is the Micro Disney Castle build from buildbetterbricks.com. And you can see before me, we are looking at two lightsabers, also from buildbetterbricks.com. And don't worry, the speed build videos for both of these lightsabers will come immediately after the review portion of this video. So check the timestamp below if you want to jump straight to that. So this is Luke Skywalker's lightsaber from buildbetterbricks.com. It is made up of 260 pieces, including the stand. The instructions say A New Hope is the lightsaber that this is based on, but it feels more like the Empire Strikes Back lightsaber because of the gold box and the red buttons and the relation of the box to the emitter piece. All in all, it was a fun little build. It feels slightly undersized in the hand, but I think the diameter was mainly dictated by the width of these cylindrical pieces. And so for what it is, it's a really cool piece. It's a great model. It feels really solid. I'm clearly handling it a bit here without worrying about it falling apart. Yeah, it looks cool, it feels cool, it displays pretty well on this little stand that it comes with. That just sits on there like that. I have a couple other Luke Skywalker lightsabers that I wanted to compare it to. Here is a Master Replicas Force Effects lightsaber from, I think, 2007. So clearly very old. This original lightsaber did not have a removable blade. You can't see it, but I ripped the guts out of the middle of it to display it better because I care more about how my shelves look than I do about preserving the integrity of an old prop. This, I believe, is the lightsaber from A New Hope because of the bubble texture on the box and, again, the relation of the position of the box to this clippy part. But I thought it would be cool to see the two side by side. So that's what it looks like next to that old Force Effects lightsaber. Here's what the Empire Strikes Back Luke Skywalker lightsaber looks like if you just did a Google image search of it. Here's a Luke Skywalker Empire Strikes Back lightsaber toothbrush. Yes, it's wet. Stop asking me such personal questions. Here's a toy version of the same or a similar enough looking version of this lightsaber that a coworker got me years ago because she knew I was a fan of Star Wars, but she didn't actually know that much else about me, and so I guess she saw this in a dollar store or something and was like, Josh would like that, and she got it for me, and I was like, thanks, but really I was like, is it all you know about me is that I like Star Wars? But actually it's kind of cool. It has like this little bit that comes out and it had a couple different colors of it, and it's kind of this introduction to this idea of kyber crystals before the Galaxy's Edge version of lightsabers, and you would put it in and then it has a little blade and it would shine that color light out of the blade. Anyway, this version is pretty neat. Let's look at the Darth Vader version. So this is the Darth Vader lightsaber from buildbetterbricks.com. It is made up of 248 pieces. It costs probably under $40 to buy the instructions and all of the parts necessary for this. I think this is closest to the A New Hope version of Darth Vader's lightsaber, but it goes through a couple of changes throughout the movies as well, so don't quote me on that exactly. This lightsaber, again, is slightly undersized. You can see how it fits in my hand, but it's not actually terrible for its size. Again, these cylindrical pieces probably dictate the diameter of it overall. Took less than an hour to build, probably wasn't too repetitive. Comes, again, with this cool little display stand that just fits into a couple of those holes and displays pretty nicely. For the sake of comparison, I have here the Master Replicas Force Effects Darth Vader lightsaber from 2007. Excuse the broken shroud piece, this is very old. Sorry, I know what you're looking for. I don't have a Darth Vader toothbrush to compare this to. If anyone has an Amazon affiliate link they want to throw my way, that would be greatly appreciated. You can see that the likeness is pretty good on the LEGO version. All the major details are there, the general shape and color and I don't know, switches and clips and whatnot are in place. So I'd say that Build Better Bricks did a pretty good job with this lightsaber and the A New Hope version. Overall, these two lightsabers were a lot of fun. I think it was probably less than 40 or 30 bucks for each of them with parts and instructions included. So I would definitely recommend these two sets from buildbetterbricks.com. I've ordered at least one other set of instructions and parts for a future build. They also have some other things that look pretty cool, like an Optimus Prime set that I will probably buy in the future. So let me know what you think about these lightsabers. Would you buy other things from buildbetterbricks.com? Are there other LEGO mock builders that I should be aware of that offer cool sets of instructions like this? And while we're doing things differently in this video, the speed builds of both of these lightsabers will come immediately after this. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. If not, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and we will see you in the next video.